Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be opening and assembling a Lego hidden side blind bag 30464. This one here. It comes with a skeleton figure and a cannon. So we'll open it up. Do this carefully, otherwise it might lose pieces. Small little instruction sheet here. First of all, we build the skeleton figure. Put the legs on. I've got the legs on the right way round. You've got some arms, which they're like the robot arms I use, but they are slightly more humanoid rather than robotic. So there we have our Lego skeleton. He needs his helmet. He doesn't have a visor, which would be quite cool. Though he probably doesn't need it because the air's going to go through his head anyway. So there we have our skeleton figure. Quite cool. Leave him here. Next we start building the cannon. Clear brick goes on here. That's what we have so far for it. Some little pieces go on here. I'll show you this in a minute. Some wheels go here. This is what we have so far for it. We have a couple more bits. Nice couple of flames go on here. As this is hidden side, it's going to be quite a lot of like ghostly flames and stuff like that, which always looks good. Like that is what we have so far for it. Put the wheels on. Tyres don't seem to go too well on these wheels for some reason. Must be. There we go. We have the wheel base for it. Now we've got to build the cannon. So we've got some little half studs here. These go in the side. Some side bits go on here. comes the fun part. Need to put this little bit on here all the way into the cannon. I'm not sure how you get that all the way in there, or if you even put it all the way in there or not. I don't think you do. I think that's enough. I think the more spring it has in it, the better. Be interesting if they put a spring on it as well, because that would be a bit cooler, but it is a polybag set, so this bit goes on the bottom, a couple of bits to go on the top. This bit goes on here. Here we have our cannon. Our little skeleton figure goes in there. Put his arms out a bit. And here he comes. 1, 2, 3. There he goes. He comes flying out the cannon. Quite a nice little set. Quite a nice little build for a poly bag. If this was in a full set, it'd probably have a few more stickers on it, which isn't really the end of the world from my point of view. So overall, well done Lego. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, do feel free to like, share and subscribe, or tell your friends. I'd like to thank my regular subscribers on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you very much for all your support, and I hope it continues. Stay safe, keep building, and hope very much to see you in my next video.